We're back, baby. Today's a Tuesday. I did not vlog last week, and I didn't drop any vlog because I was just like, your ass. And like, also yesterday I didn't talk to you guys because I hate Mondays. What do you mean my last class is after 6? Like, the fuck? I really do hate Mondays, but Wednesdays are better because my classes start at 1. I woke up and I wrote a weekly quiz that is due today, 10 o'clock. Well, I did write it to like yesterday, but I was just like checking up on it now before I actually submit. So yeah, another update. My mom got me a tripod. We're up. I'm telling you, to some man. Yo. We up, finally. I don't know if you guys want a sit down video, but if you do, you'll tell me and we shall film that. But I just wanted to say that. Am I gonna film today? Yes, of course. Tomorrow we're doing our lashes. I've never had lashes before. Yeah, I was saying, guys, tomorrow we're doing our lashes. I've never had lashes before. I don't even know how am I gonna look. I'm so scared. But we shall try the liver. Okay? Yeah. And also Friday we have another game. UWC is coming. Yeah. Cameras are fucking rolling. I don't remember likely because I did communication last year. China sathenga imoto encinci guys sayawuxatyana kuthi amazimisele entweni. Yeah. The time is currently, what's the time? 7:10. I'm going to the lab. Shoo. We play with the pain of not being in alignment with our dreams. Let your love on again, off again, like you like oxygen. Hi vlog. Today is Wednesday. I don't have classes on Wednesday. I have a 12 o'clock appointment for my lashes. Gisab, I'm fungash. Gisab, because I've never had lashes before, so it's like, how am I gonna look? But y'all, that's the only thing we're doing today. Yeah, probably gonna come back and study. Yeah. That's it for the day. That's the itinerary for the day. So y'all guys, I don't know if you guys can see me. It's quite late for me to set up my tripod. But yeah, I'm wearing this. I'm wearing like this. Like it's very chilled. I'm just going on. I'm just going to an appointment. Nothing much. I just had my hair like this. What type of style is this? I don't freaking know. It's 11:45. My appointment is at 12, and she doesn't live far. She lives in my neighborhood. So yeah, but I just don't want to be late. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog there. Also, it's someone that I'm first meeting. I don't want to be bombarding them with cameras. My first lash set. Did it disappoint? No, bitch, it didn't. No, it did not. Oh my gosh, I love her. She's luxury. What's her name? Luxury, yeah? Lash Luxury by Spay, I think. Oh my gosh. Love her so much. She was so nice to me. It was my first time doing lashes and she could tell because I was just shaking and I was. But didn't she eat? She did. Hi vloggity vlog. Today's a Thursday. I keep on still doing this even though when I have a tripod. You can take me out of the ghetto, but you can't take the get out of me. Today I woke up and I had a very bad morning. Yeah. My serum spilled on my storage box. Nothing hurts more than that, son. Heartbreak, I touch in Dogland. But yeah, today I'm expecting my fridge. Don't know if I told you this, but I'm expecting my fridge. And I'll continue attending classes. And yeah, that's just it. Oh, also I'll go to the mall. I need some things at the mall. So, usuku lumekanjalo. I don't want, listen, I'm scared to get attached. People get hurt like that. I don't want to hurt like that. Bye. So I pretend I will not.
Namhlanje angikwazanga ukulala ngivuke ekuseni nani u-okay ubonwe yimina. I bought myself a bar fridge. Wathi ha uthenga ifridge? Ngathi mina yes, like is there anything? Wathi cha ngithusa ukuthi what a responsible young woman. So bengithi mhlawumbe uzothi nihambile nabangani kwasha kwacima navutha kwahlala uthenga ifridge. Wow Ntombi, that's impressive.
What? Asam ko shake my hands.
Pressure line out for
Banana. Diviri. Banana. Bushiri. AF. Trust us.
Always
And forever.
The earliest bed. How do we escape the room? Where is the bathroom? Yeah. Shoot about
Ay, ay, ay. Uy, uy. Ay, ay, ay.
It's a friend sign. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. We should just be going home and sleep. No. Lalani.
It's either this or I cry myself to sleep. It's either this or I cry myself to sleep. The study center, I'm studying because I want to keep my mind busy. Okay, if I don't do that, nizanibeka kule weekend. No, I need. Into it is fucker goals. One thing about me, I don't fail tools fucking like in shame. I do not. I slept around 2:30. I woke up around 6. And I ain't exam.
Young